How to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram application. If you find update Instagram to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed. Second step is you need to check your internet connection. Make sure to choose between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better and try reconnecting or restarting your router if using Wi-Fi. Then you need to open Instagram application and sign in. After that, you need to proceed towards the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Proceed towards the menu icon by tapping the three-line bar at top of your screen, and here you can easily switch to professional account if you do not have professional account. By following all the steps, you will successfully fix GIF not working on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.